If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to JASMY video update. Alright, so finally the resistance has proven solid to so many people, and once again, TA is still gonna win. Most of the time TA is going to win, right? And for me personally, again, this is going to be your resistance 1 2 3, and nearly one resistance there, but it didn't work out, and then you have the fourth resistance right over here. Now from here, guys, you got to be careful. You can put a stop loss at 39 level, put a stop loss 39, and you can ride this thing all the way down to that price target as well. And basically what you want to see now, for me personally, if I ever see JASMY coming up to 39 or 4,000 and backtest 35 like this, I'm gonna be a little bit positive. I'm gonna be forced to be positive from there. But right now, you're at the resistance, and whenever you want to buy something, always ask yourself a very simple question: am I buying at the resistance? If the answer is yes, you don't buy. And if you're buying at the support and your answer is yes, I'm buying from the support, you probably just want to buy that thing. And I saw something on the 15 minutes time frame that I think I'm going to point out. And this is the smaller time frame cycle, and I think we do have a mini head and shoulders. So from there you can see that this was your left shoulder, the head right there, the right shoulder coming in as well, and this is your neckline right over here. You've broken out of the neckline. Just look how beautiful this head and shoulders really look like. So what I'm going to say is support here, support right over there, support right over here, broke to the downside, went up for the retest, got rejected here. You're now looking for a technical target, at least on this 15 minutes time frame head and shoulder. I'm just gonna bring back the neckline right like this, and it's pretty clear that you're taking the top to the bottom, and that's gonna be a drop down to 3361. Okay, so that's gonna be a drop of nearly 5.47%, which is a very good for a day trade. And right now that's what I can see on the charts. In my opinion, I just want to check if there's any bearish divergence as well. Just want to bring in the RSI. I haven't checked the RSI in a while, and yeah, I'm just going to skip the RSI at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this update on JASMY. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.